What a beautiful lawn! Oh, careful she doesn't trip over the hose. Yep, she really appreciates that. Production is no different. Once you've finished cleaning, tidy the hose away. You don't have a place to put it? Find a solution and organize it in our system. Of course, there's also a risk of tripping at the office. Cables are more dangerous than you might imagine. But hey, they can be worked away neatly too. And how about when a light bulb needs to be changed? That's not the best way. A stepladder is a lot safer. And also, in production, you can always make safety improvements. A bit of common sense. This is already pretty good. But look, this is even better. Roll them in. Together, we can prevent all the trips and tumbles. Safe at work, safely home.